Okay, my people, now welcome to this interesting show as Oyibo people they talk. This now I they read where they always they get 4 driver, 1 bus, 4 steering, but one of the driver here say 4 don't come, so you don't go buy for your house and for a generator. And then MC Shaggy. I hope say by the time he get 4, he go join us. My name is Eleno, and this now I the red. Of course, I get with me the Otota one of Nigerian comedy, aka Lucky Shy.
Honestly spoken, my people, now welcome once again. Now I the red.
And the man where they hold Lagos to ransom come June 28, 2015, Shakara and the gang. MC Shakara.
Yes, only Shakara is here. The gang up. They're preparing. Meanwhile, I hate lies. I hate to cover stories. You said something about Shaggy. It's not true.
It's
Shaggy
not
no
true.
go look for fuel.
Oh, okay.
Very good. You know, say in those days, the woman and they carry pregnancy, and they born, and they go Mugo, and they go. I mean, and they go Atinanta.
Atlanta.
So as I don't just want people waiting
No, I won't tell her now. Me, I will tell her now.
Okay.
Yes. You know, say after a woman don't born, when she see the hospital, is this still called Atinanta?
No, it's prenatal.
Or
Pre
prenatal?
now when you never go.
It's postnatal, yes.
Postnatal.
Na
Postnatal.
Na production.
Very good.
Yeah, postnatal.
So Shaggy wife divide down. He says, before I born this pikin, I made they go Atinata.
So now
As the pikin not come, you carry him, they go hospital.
So now Shaggy they do the
Not
postnatal.
this shake, you go. I see him now for the clinic. He sit down, they go pikin where women sit down. You know the first they say me that they sing praise and worship. We have come again. We have. That is small thing.
You see, well, it's all good. I mean, no one tell you the reason, but now which I cannot don't tell you now. Don't put your limit like that. Shaggy carry picking good immunization, but you know, immunization for Nigeria no be like Oyibo people. They first do praise and worship. They go pray. They go pray for the country. Meanwhile, the children, I mean, they
Nigeria they take every opportunity to do prayer.
Even when they pray, the person they lead prayer, Father, Madam, do your picking well.
Father, Lord, as we are praying, who get picking make go outside, and the picking they cry.
You get what way Shaggy come off his call the way we say surprise us. Shaggy come off is happy say we can't be happy with our same bond. But the way Shaggy talk, I just want to talk more than reason. Shaggy say the God when the time we let her happy, he say the pikin no resemble.
Oh God.
He said the pikin no
And
resemble.
that one, a general
The
thanksgiving.
God will do it for me, do it for Shaggy too. Thank you, Lord.
Shaggy, it's not just your thanksgiving. This is a national thanksgiving. If they say you produce your kind again, join the condition of this country.
It would have been hectic.
Oh, no.
It would have been a whole abolition, bro.
It will have been darkness cover the surface of the earth.
Of course, people don't forget say this now I the rent like this to the drum every Saturday for Una to the get that jollitainment. Una don't relax for evening for the house. This now like this to the drum. Me Shaggy Shakara. If Shaggy no carry picking go do postnatal, he go there with us. But today na in turn, they don't share. Why I don't give am the timetable? But today na your own timetable, so you know if you make am. Una know the thing they be. First of all, we get our program there what they call Laugh Out Loud. This one na where una go see things we go make una there out there. The first one, a drunk and where they begin judge bottles them of what they don't do. I'm not gonna see the video. The wheeze coming back.
We getting down. Sorry. All these bottles of beer that have made me to lose my lifestyle. Where are they? You are the reason I did not marry. The girl I was meant to marry, you made me to be so intoxicated that now I don't even know where the girl is. You must go. You are the reason I lost my job. My boss was talking, I did not hear my boss. Even taxi will talk, I will not hear the taxi. Whether boss and taxi are the people I'm working for, I don't care. All I know is that you are the reason. In short, you go. And now you, very wicked bottle. You are the wickedest of all the bottles. I don't even know what you did, but you did it. You, good. I remember you carefully and clearly. You were the reason that 2012 edition of a car that I was driving in 2007. You made me to park the car inside somebody's kitchen. How on earth did I get to the kitchen? Somebody's kitchen. Beyond repair. You must go. And you, my friend, You've not done anything yet. You're still full. You're good alcohol. Good alcohol stays in the bottle. We'll talk later. All the rest, you must die. Leave me.
No. Hey, director, replay that video. No. You need to replay that video.
Yes.
And I need people to sit down and laugh. Drinking is not good for you. They tell you don't drink responsibly. If you have not watched this video, if you just come and watch the video again. Play it again.
Sorry. All these bottles of beer that have made me to lose my lifestyle. Where are they? You are the reason I did not marry. The girl I was meant to marry, you made me to be so intoxicated that now I don't even know where the girl is. You must go. You are the reason I lost my job. My boss was talking, I did not hear my boss. Even taxi will talk, I will not hear the taxi. Whether boss and taxi are the people I'm working for, I don't care. All I know is that you are the reason. In short, you go. And now you, very wicked bottle. You are the wickedest of all the bottles. I don't even know what you did, but you did it. You, good. I remember you carefully and clearly. You were the reason that 2012 edition of a car that I was driving in 2007. You made me to park the car inside somebody's kitchen. How on earth did I get to the kitchen? Somebody's kitchen, beyond repair. You must go. And you, my friend, you've not done anything yet. You're still full. You're good alcohol. Good alcohol stays in the bottle. We'll talk later. All the rest, you must die. Leave me.
Okay. Good.
You know what? You know what?
Yeah.
Play the video again.
They just tie you.
That means I don't hide.
We need, clean the drug. We need a video of this time. Do cigar.
Drink shayo. When they say shayo na bastard, I know say most times some people when they drink, they based on saying na free. You just go occasion. They say drinks are free. When you got the look, say free. Why they give me that?
I'll keep myself.
And you know,
drink the first one, they don't pay. Bring on now.
Condition can make you drink where you're not supposed to drink. Like one pastor we lodge for hotel. He say, give me a bottle of water. Then they tell us, say, water na 1,000. Say, water 1,000. What about the soft drink? They say 1,000.
Wait. You don't tell the G's before.
You know me.
For hide the red, though.
You know me. You know me. That for you. You don't go confuse my G's now.
Don't say that the part one.
Oh yeah, sister don't talk that before. Man talk another one. One man we don't drink. He enter house, he say make it peace. Instead of it to go bedroom, go peace, he open fridge. Got the piece inside fridge. He say that bedroom you don't open. You know, so when you open fridge, you go to cool all your system. You say, oh boy, my wife don't put AC for this bedroom. Now they call her money. How you don't have bedroom? You don't put AC. I do my say, idiot. Nah, inside fridge, now you don't put AC. Anyway, let's move on. Of
course, yeah, moving on. Now we don't add another one where they make una the jolly for us every Saturday. Now like this with the drum. Just for now, belly to the Totorimo. We could see how Shakara take advise Nigerian politicians. This is called Joke of the Week.
How many of you watch the PDP primaries where they do for television? When then they show the thing, you know, when they call the man, we won't announce the, you know, they do the, as the man they come aside, he boast with pride because now he won't announce presidential result, but you don't know the workload. Even we say where they watch, we don't know say that thing go take from night till morning. Now say come out, he carry the first paper. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. No say now human being hand on the week. Good luck. Good luck. After 2, good luck. He hand on the tire, night changer. Jonathan. After 3, the man don't tire, night changer. Ebele. But we thank God, apart from the presidency, all the other seats now ACN sweep in the country. And that means they don't sweep corruption, Abi. But at the talk amo, Madam Ideye, as the sweeper made a pack amo. No, wait. Because nobody when they go sweep and go one side, breeze go black, come back. Because I don't look with their logo, no let broom, then their pack and no day. So, mommy, you go tell daddy, make them put one small pack and near the broom.
Now it is obvious saying only comedian fit advise anybody.
Yes.
See, Fashola wife, say as he dey hear you, he dey not there. I go tell daddy.
No, that's the power of comedy.
Yes.
That's why I am telling you, make I behave like the governor.
Even Bobby as vice first lady, our former first lady, when they go even and say, Your Excellency, you know, anytime we come to event like this, you they give us something. I beg, when you won't give us, I don't know whether your PA that they move something, no, but just give us. If a good man they call us, say, Bobby, come, take. So we go no say again. Now, Your Excellency call OMP say, so you people, when I give you money to share for people, you start to share it among yourself first. Share the money for here. Make una share the money for here. Don't call them one by one, call they share it here.
You know what, man? Only the voice of music.
Okay, I know as the former governor of Akwa Ibom State, the way we say, if you ask them something, you use and take advertise another thing. If you ask and say, sir, how do you relax? Say, man, I love to just relax and watch movies. That's why I did the new cinema. Yeah. I contain how many, even when I jog, the 100-kilometer road, I did everything. So after they talk about my video, I just want to tell them and say, June 28th. That's how I relax. You can also come to Muson Center if you want to watch more. You come to Muson Center June 25 p.m. But home money, 5,000 regular, VIP 10,000. Table for 300,000. Thank you very much.
Can we go home with the table?
No, you can bring your small table, but it will be outside and then you inside. Thank you.
And in case you dey come from Abuja or Anambra, because now Lagos they hold the program, so if you enter like Saturday, because the program na Sunday.
Shakara they provide room for all of una for free.
Yes,
just for a token of the room rate.
There's room for you to come in.
Yes.
There's room for you to come here.
And for people asking for free ticket, we are giving you free ticket. On the 29th of June, you can come and take your free ticket.
That bossing day of the show.
So you can now frame it and put it out that I had a ticket for this show.
Okay, if you want get free ticket, I dey on iDirect crew now.
Okay.
So go our Twitter handle and our Facebook page. Make you comment on Shakara and the gang where they come up on June 28th. And make you mention certain things where Shakara don't talk for iDirect. If you feel mention there, we go look our archive. If you correct like 28, how many episodes we don't do so far so? Okay, more help them do 10. If you mention 10 things where Shakara talk where he hit you for iDirect, put out for our Twitter, put out for our Facebook. You go collect tickets.
And don't forget, so you still feel win StarTimes decoder for this matter. All you need to do, answer this question right away, Lucky Child Don't Talk. If you still go our Twitter, track us. If you never see get for you can track us. But if you don't get, follow us on Twitter. We'll be at iTheRed. Or send your email, come give us for iTheRed@wazobiatv.tv. Make a small break, drink water. When we come back, we'll continue with the show. Make no go nowhere.